So we're gonna use an acrylic yarn, medium worsted yarn, and 4.5mm hook. So the start will be like for the triangle. I'm gonna chain two single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain one and turn. So 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the last stitch, chain one and turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitches. So what we're gonna do in every beginning of the round is double single crochet to make the increase of the triangle. And the last row of increase, don't forget to check the written pattern for this tutorial so you can follow with the rows. 6 rows. From now on we're gonna make 1 single crochet in every stitch, no more increase or decrease. Chain 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 10 rounds. So I ended up making 15 rounds after the triangle, and now what I'm gonna do is chain 1 and slip stitch all around. So just to give it the shape of the rounded shape on the edges. That's it, fast enough after this, and this is how it looks at the ends. Voila. You can add the green later on, but I'm gonna leave it like this for the bookmark. You can also use it as an applique to add some color to any of your projects. I hope you find this tutorial easy and interesting. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.